So in today's video, we are going to talk about fowl pox. Fowl pox is a viral disease that is caused by mosquito and flies. When your bird are 6 weeks old, it is very important to vaccinate this bird with fowl pox vaccine because vaccination is an immunization against disease. So now let's talk about the symptom of fowl pox. Number one, white spot on their skin, scaly sore on their comb, white ulcer in their mouth or treacher, laying stop in layers. So now what are the treatments? Fowl pox respond to synthetic and organic treatment. So now let's talk about the synthetic treatment of fowl pox. Number one, buy pox cure and polydine or any other fowl pox drugs or use viral mixed iodine. You can give in drinking water. Mix the polydine and pox cure together for more effectiveness. That is the synthetic way for treating fowl pox. So now let's move to the organic way of treating fowl pox. One, you will scratch the affected area with razor blade or sharp object. Be careful while doing it not to injure the bird. After you scratch the surface, you will use lime to rub the affected area. After you have rubbed the affected part with lime, put little palm oil in their water and allow them to drink. If you don't have palm oil, you can put palm kernel oil on the affected area. This will cure the disease. Another organic treatment is get aloe vera, wood ash, cayenne pepper. Blend the aloe vera, mix it with 1 spoon of wood ash and cayenne pepper. Boil all in a pot for 5 minutes. Use 5 ml to 1 liter of water for 5 days. So when you do all this one, you'll be able to cure fowl pox in your poultry farming. The major causes of disease in poultry farming is dirty environment. So let's keep our poultry house very clean and change the litter often. When we do like that, we will help to reduce the spread of disease. So if you follow this method, you can be able to treat fowl pox in your poultry farm. I hope this content is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow our Facebook page. See you in our next video. Bye.